Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to import a PostgreSQL dataset into Power BI. For that we have a sample dataset for PostgreSQL. So here we can see the sample dataset in pgadmin. This is the dataset for PostgreSQL. This is my dataset, DVD rental. In the DVD rental, we can see the tables, actor, address, category, city, country, customer, film actor. This is the column I have in these datasets. Let's see how to import into Power BI. Just open Power BI. Here we can see the option get data from another source, right? Just click that get data from another source option. Here we can see the options all file database. We have to import the PostgreSQL dataset. For that we have to select the database, click database. In this we can see several databases. We have to select PostgreSQL database for pgadmin. Just click PostgreSQL database, just click connect. Here we have two field options. One is server and database. uh, let's see how to get the server name from pgadmin. In pgadmin we can see the server name. Just click that properties, and in under server we can see the PostgreSQL 13. This is our server name. Just click that PostgreSQL 13 properties. In properties there is an option name like connection. In connection there is a host name address. So just copy the local host number, local host name, and the port number. Just note down the 5432 is our port number, and username is Postgres. Just note it down. In server, just paste the local host colon 5432. Database name is DVD rental. So here we can see the database name. This is our database name. In properties you can just copy directly from here. DVD rental. In the data connectivity mode, for now just select the import option. Okay, so these are the data sets from pgadmin. Just select whatever columns you need. Just select all those things here. So here we can see the option load. Just click load. It's loading. Finally the dataset inserted successfully. So here in the field panel we can see the public actor table, public actor info, public address, category, city, country, customer list. So in the left hand side we can three options. One is report and data model. Just click the table to view the tables in the field. So you can see the actor info data set, address table, category, city, country, customer list, film actor. This is how we have to import the PostgreSQL dataset into the Power BI. Thank you.